Hello, today I will instruct you how to log into an Instagram account. To start off, we'll be needing a few things. First thing is a computer or a mobile device. The second is an internet connection. And the third is an existing Instagram account, which you should have a username and password for. For step 1, you open your browser. This can be Google Chrome, Safari, Internet Explorer, or Firefox. I am using Chrome. You would want to navigate to the URL bar and type in www.instagram.com. Step 2, you'd want to scroll down a little bit and locate the Have an Account login box. And here you want to click Login. Step 3, you want to type in your phone number, username, or email, whichever you prefer. And step 4, type in the password. After you've done that, you can click Login. If you forgot your password, you can locate the Forgot Password right under the Login button and click on that, which here you can type in your email or your username and check the I am not a robot box and hit Reset Password, which will reset your password. If you have any more questions, you can maybe leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.